Police are trying to track down this man. He's accused of raping a security guard 2 weeks ago in South End. Now, police just sent out this photo today after getting a DNA match, they say. Reporter Elsa Gillis is live with what we've learned so far about the suspect. Elsa?
Well, Erica, this is a step forward in a terrifying case in this constantly growing and popular neighborhood. But the fact that this man is still out there is extremely unsettling. A brutal rape at gunpoint in the heart of South End.
It's crazy to think about.
Now, 2 weeks later, police have a suspect, but that man, Robert Harrison, is not yet in custody.
He needs to be caught.
It was during the quiet early morning hours of June 3rd, just yards from the light rail, when police say a security guard was attacked by a man with a gun. She was making her rounds in a building under construction on New Bern Street. Now, DNA evidence has linked the crime to Harrison, a man with an extensive criminal history. His past charges include assault with a deadly weapon and communicating threats. Now, he's wanted for rape and kidnapping.
I'm definitely going to try to keep an eye out.
This woman works and lives in the area and is now on high alert.
I'm going to be more cautious as far as keeping something for protection on me, making sure that any of my coworkers aren't walking to their car alone, making sure that I'm not walking to my car alone.
She says she and her boyfriend have already taken action after watching crime rise in Charlotte.
Yeah, we got a new security system maybe 2 weeks ago because it made him feel more comfortable with our daughter.
And until this man is caught, everyone we spoke with will be on edge.
Yeah, a little bit. Means there's someone out there who's a little outside their mind and is still running free.
Now, the suspect is a man police say the victim has encountered before. They say she found him inside this building and had asked him to leave in the past. And some women I spoke with in the area told me they recognize his picture. So if you know anything, call Crime Stoppers. Erica?
All right, Elsa. Thank you for that update.